Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm out here with Randy on the big Victory. I'm on the Goldwing. We're down here at Nogales, Arizona. This is Randy's favorite town in Arizona. We're just out for a ride today. Kill some time, and Randy need to get his bike out and lubricate them valves. Don't want to let it set too long. Your tags expire and all kinds of stuff. So I am using the new DJI Osmo 360. And I don't have a camera on my helmet. We're just using the 360 today to shoot this video. So it's new to me. Trying to see how it works out. But the cool part about 360 is you don't have to aim it. It just records everything in 360. So you don't have to worry about framing the shot. It's going to get everything. And you can actually make multiple videos off of one clip, because you could do a front angle video or facing video or any direction, so you can make different videos. Paint, portrait, landscape, it's super simple on something like this. But this is Nogales, Arizona. This is all the way down south, and it's a border town, so part of the city's actually in the United States, part of it's in Mexico. I don't know what the population is here. That's one thing I've noticed about Arizona is when you go to the town and it shows the city limits, it don't show the population. It shows when the town is founded, or, well, I don't care about that. Just tell me the population. It's like most of the signs that say the elevation sometimes, or in the when it's founded. So I had no zero about this town. I've been just basically through it on the main road through it here a couple times. Yeah, so we come in 82 is what he was saying, and this is Interstate Business 19, which takes us to Interstate 19. And then you go toward Tucson, toward Greenland, Tubac. Yeah, not Greenland. Go toward Tubac first, then Greenland. Green Valley. I keep saying Greenland. That's a country. That's a country. Yeah, a wet ride. It's a wet ride too. Randy, you look like a regular biker dude with that leather on. I noticed that over there at that house, that woman got her little kids and got them in the house real quick. So you see the colors today. Some of them are actually already gone. They got a Walmart. I guarantee you they ain't got a Dollar General. Nobody has a Dollar General. Probably. Lots of them. Oh, Randy used to be a truck driver. He knows these roads. He used to be like BJ and the bear. I don't know if he had a bear, but he was probably like BJ and had all the women. Or like, he was probably more like Claude Akins and Moving On. Remember that movie or that show? Moving On, it was a truck driving movie. It was Claude Akins. Claude Akins, he was in BJ and the Bear. He was Sheriff Lobo. That is a good looking picture. That's a pretty color. I like that bike. It does. Most of them I've seen are they got some of those pictures that are a real, I don't know, space looking. I mean, real stretched out looking. There's got one up at the Honda shop up there. I don't like the shape of it. Yeah, George Jetson. There you go. And that shape I don't like. It's like that's about ugly. But your bike is a nice looking bike. Oh, I got 3/4, but you can stop when you want. So John, Randy wanted me to point out about the nice weather. We're out riding the street bikes and beautiful, nice weather here in Arizona. So just had to point that out to you. Yeah, sorry about your snow in Missouri, he said, and the cold. I don't miss it one bit. We are going to get on I-19. We're going down here to Tubac. I've been through into this town a few times. Me and Cherry actually found it one time out on the Goldwing. It's a little bitty town here, but it's pretty neat. That dog didn't like Randy. Going up to the main entrance. On up. On up. On up, yeah. Let me just lead. Tubac or Tubac, whatever it's called. Oh, they have all kinds of art galleries here, that's for sure. Oh, really? As soon as I can find it. As soon as I can remember where it is. It may have actually been over there. We can go that way right here. Yeah, I think it's on over there. Something smells good. Hudson Hornet. Oh, we don't go this way. I thought there was a way over there. I think that may have been the one. I know I'm not totally crazy. Maybe a little bit. Yeah. There's a little craziness going on. Maybe right here. Oh, you drag on this speed bump, you ain't careful, you let her bounce very hard. Yeah, I've been through here. You go down here through the wash. You can jump this if you hit this fast enough, Randy. Yep. Feel a little better. Just a little bit better. Habaneros. Yep, under new ownership. Uh-oh. You never know if that's good or bad. Could be good, could be bad. Only one way to find out. Look at there, we can even sit outside.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I just wanted to make a short video showing the DJI Osmo 360 camera. Trying it out. Thank you all for watching. God bless. Click that thumbs up. Hit the subscribe down below. Click that bell icon so you be notified when I put out a new video. Catch y'all on the next adventure. Right on.